Oh, this is lush. Oh, mango ice cream. I'm good for water. Do you?
Salad ice cream.
There's fruit salad ice cream. That's that one.
Mango pudding.
That's that there. Ooh. Beautiful.
Fresh fruit, 6 ringgit only.
Thank you. Oh, that's nice.
Do you want anything?
I'm okay at the moment, but do you?
Can I get a drink?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get a drink. Smoothies or something. Oh, that's them. Brekkie?
Big rack.
Hello, just having a look. Thank you, sir.
Yes, mommy, no?
How much for that?
5 ringgit.
5. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Bro's just bare-handing it.
How much is it?
12. Yeah. A lot?
Less?
A lot.
I think
I think it's like £2.50. Hello, can I have one chicken, one sausage? Terima kasih.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Can I have one chicken and one sausage, please?
One sausage finish.
One sausage. I am?
Ayam, no ayam.
No, I am.
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
okay.
finish.
What's
Only
this?
fish, squid.
Squid?
This one crab, mayo.
Crab. What's the best?
Yeah, this one chicken.
Ah.
Only all nice.
Oh, nice. I'll
Yeah.
try squid, yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, one please.
Maybe one.
Ni dua. Ni dua tu satu. Tu apa? Ketam. Ketam.
One sauce, chili.
Yes, please. It's
A
spicy.
little bit.
And what's this?
This one same.
Same. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, little bit, yeah.
Little bit.
Okay. 3 ringgit.
Rasa tu boleh selalu ke? Ke kena tunggu?
Dah siap dah. Cuma nak bubur kuah je lah. Okay.
Terima kasih.
Ya,
Thank
sama-sama.
you.